Hello everyone, welcome back to my terrarium journey. Today I'm here to address a crucial issue that has been affecting the health of my ecosystem. The plants in my terrarium have been struggling due to insufficient light. Join me as I take you through the steps I've followed to rectify this problem. Let's start by assessing the current state of the terrarium. The moss wall has managed to hold up fairly well with minor damage observed. The driftwood and other elements remain unharmed while the soil appears unaffected. However, a noticeable darkening of the collected rock fragments and moss indicates the impact of insufficient light. Additionally, there's a haze inside the glass, highlighting the consequence of neglect and inadequate maintenance. It's important to note that terrariums, when not properly maintained and deprived of adequate light, are prone to developing diseases. How do you maintain a thriving ecosystem within your terrarium? To maintain a thriving ecosystem within your terrarium, it's essential to prioritize several key factors. Firstly, ensure adequate light exposure for your plants, as light is crucial for photosynthesis and overall growth. Additionally, regulate humidity levels to mimic the natural environment of your terrarium inhabitants. Regularly monitor and adjust watering practices to prevent overwatering or dehydration. Keep the terrarium clean by removing debris and dead plant matter to prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria and fungi. Finally, provide proper ventilation to promote air circulation and prevent the development of stagnant conditions. By adhering to these guidelines, you can create and maintain a healthy ecosystem within your terrarium for years to come. In light of these observations, I made the decision to address the issue head-on. I chose to remove everything from the terrarium except for the mossy wall, which has shown resilience despite the conditions. With a clean slate before me, I proceeded to step 3 of my plan. I began by introducing new rocks and plants, along with fresh moss, into the terrarium. When used in a terrarium, activated charcoal can help to remove impurities from the air and water. It can also help to prevent mold and mildew growth. In addition, activated charcoal can absorb odors, making your terrarium a more pleasant place to be for your plants. In this rejuvenation process, I opted to incorporate the exquisite luster natural stone. This remarkable addition boasts a striking dark black hue, accentuated by a captivating sparkle that lends a touch of allure to the terrarium. Moreover, its subtle hints of brown, coupled with occasional streaks of white, add depth and character to the overall aesthetic. This distinctive stone not only enhances the visual appeal of the terrarium, but also serves as a testament to nature's unparalleled beauty and diversity. Here I used Akadama soil for my terrarium soil layer. Akadama is extremely well suited as a drainage soil in terrariums. The purpose of a drainage layer in a terrarium is to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom of the enclosure, helping to create a well-balanced and healthier environment for the plants and animals inside. The natural moss carpet is the best solution for terrariums. Using a natural moss carpet is an ideal choice for creating and maintaining a healthy terrarium environment. Natural moss carpets provide a lush green carpet-like appearance that enhances the visual appeal of terrariums. Moss is excellent at retaining moisture, which is essential for creating the right humidity levels within a terrarium. It helps to keep the soil consistently moist without becoming waterlogged, providing an ideal environment for plants to thrive. Moss carpets play a role in nutrient cycling within the terrarium ecosystem. As moss grows and decays, it releases nutrients back into the soil, enriching it and supporting plant growth. Moss carpets provide a habitat for beneficial microorganisms, such as bacteria and fungi, which contribute to the overall health of the terrarium ecosystem. These microorganisms help to break down organic matter and maintain a balanced soil environment. One of the standout features of the Fittonia nerve plant is its suitability for closed terrariums. Its love for high humidity and moderate light conditions makes it a perfect fit for terrarium environments. Plus, its compact size ensures it doesn't outgrow its space too quickly. Driftwood, a key decorative element in terrariums, is wood that's been weathered and smoothed by water. Its unique shapes and textures add natural charm to terrarium landscapes, creating visually appealing environments for plants and small creatures. Decorative stones for terrariums come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, offering versatility in design and aesthetics. These stones, often made of natural materials like river rocks or polished pebbles, serve both functional and ornamental purposes within terrarium ecosystems. They help to create a visually appealing landscape, while also aiding in drainage and soil aeration. The choice of decorative stones can range from smooth, rounded pebbles to rugged, textured rocks, allowing for endless creative possibilities in terrarium design. Overall, decorative stones play a vital role in enhancing the beauty and realism of terrariums, making them essential components of miniature ecosystems. This revitalization effort is aimed at fostering a healthier ecosystem within luxury terrariums. Come along on this journey of rejuvenation as we infuse new life into our luxury geometric terrarium. Through our channel, we provide free templates for these shaped glass containers. Get it in the video description. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Let's delve into this luxury geometric terrarium adventure together.